So today we are going to do a very important topic of our English grammar, that is direct and indirect speech. We also said it or call it as narration. What is narration actually? Narration is an act of reporting the words speaker in two ways, that is direct speech or indirect speech. So now what is direct speech? It is the actual words of speaker and quoted the exact way it is and always put in inverted commas. As shown in the picture, Yogesh said, comma, inverted commas begin, I am studying, inverted commas close, full stop. In this, Yogesh said is reported verb and I am studying is reported speech. So now, what is indirect speech? When actual words of speaker are transformed is called indirect speech. Same with, as the previous example. When we join both the sentence by using conjunction that and by changing the tense, very important thing is that, but we will discuss it later, that we are supposed to understand or identify the sense of the sentence and in which tense the sentence is. And pronoun, it become indirect by changing it by using conjunction that, its tense, and pronoun, it became indirect. Things we must keep in mind while doing direct and indirect speech are subject and object, pronoun, that is first person, second person or third person in which the sentence is, and then tense. What is subject? Subject is the main reason the things to happen in the sentence, and object is about whom we are talking. And now comes pronoun, that is the first person. First of all, first person who is talking, right? Who is talking, and then second person is to whom is talking. And now the third is about whom is talking, who may not present there. So example has been given in the picture. Now you can consider this particular chart for understanding the first person, second person and third person. Then very important, tense. What is tense actually? We are using, tense in each and every sentence in English language. So tense is actually which tell us about time at which the actions performed. That is present, past and future, which further is divided into simple, continuous, perfect form and perfect continuous form. Steps to convert a direct speech to indirect one are, there are most importantly 6 steps, and first one is to identify subject, object, reported verb, pronoun and tense. Now the second one is to recognize the reported verb, that is in which we used to change said to told, said into said, say to tell, says to, tells to. And then the third is replace with that. Replace inverted commas with conjunction that. And number 4th is change of pronoun. First person subject and second person, first is subject, second is object and third is no change. This rule is also known as SON, S-O-N. Next is change of tense. If reported verb is in past tense, then we are supposed to change it, and universal truths are unchanged. There is no change in universal truths. And the last one is update time specific words. For example, so we can I can also tell you that in change of tense, simple present changes into simple past, present continuous changes into past continuous, present perfect changes into past perfect, present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous, and then Past tense, simple past changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous remains the same. There is no change in that. Then comes future. In future, shall will be changed into would or should. Can and may will be changed into could and might. Then now we will discuss the last one, that is update time specific words. For example, now will change into then, here will change into there, tomorrow will be changed into the next day, today will be changed into the that day, yesterday, the previous day, etc. Now, bachche, one example is here for you. As in this example, she said to me, comma, inverted commas begin, I am playing football with you, right? With you now, inverted commas close. So first of all, you have to identify the subject, the reported verb, object, and the pronoun, okay, and the tense. So first of all, you will identify, then you will change the reported verb, that is said to will be changed into told. Then you will replace the inverted commas in that by using that, and then again there will be change of pronoun, as it is she said to me, she said to me that she was playing football, right? She is telling about herself, so I will be changing it to she and you will be changing into me. Then change of tense, as this sentence is present continuous, it will be changing into past continuous, that is am playing will be changing into was playing. So now there will be change will happen in time words, that is now will change into then. So what the sentence will be, she told me that she was playing football with me then. Students, I hope you have understood the direct and indirect speech.